Welcome to Alexandria Drive in Westhoughton. We're here to look at this 2-bedroom ground floor maisonette, which is over 500 square feet and benefits from having a private garden. This one that I'm stood on now, actually. I'll spin the camera around so you can have a better look. So it's got a private garden, and in addition we have got a single garage as well, which I'll show you once we've been inside and had a look around. So as you come and drive into the cul-de-sac, what I tend to do is just walk down this path to this side of the building, and then this is the garden, and we're going to pop through the door on my right hand side. Welcome inside. So we've stepped in and we've come through the UPVC entrance door, and we're in the reception hallway. And you'll notice this throughout the property. There's neutral sort of magnolia decorations. We've got the electric heaters. There's no gas in the building. In fact, there's no gas in any of these properties on Alexandria Drive. The kitchen is a very nice, professionally fitted kitchen with a superb range of matching drawers, base and wall cabinets. There's a double oven grill with electric hob, Bosch electric hob, and extractor above. Now there's a freestanding washing machine which is included in the sale, and the UPVC window with fitted blinds just overlooks the garden area there, which we've seen it before we've come in. As we cross the hallway, this is what I've called bedroom number 2, but if you don't need it as a second bedroom, as you can see, makes a perfect separate dining room. On the right hand side we've got the shower room. So pedestal wash hand basin, dual flush WC, and a very generous sized shower enclosure with electric shower and sliding glass door. There's wall mounted storage space, display shelving, the electric heated towel rail is in there, and built into this storage space is the Ariston water heater. Very, very nice shower room. This is the master bedroom, which of course is a double bedroom. I'll try not to show too much of myself in that mirror and put anybody off. But we've got the UPVC window with fitted blinds, the electric heater, magnolia decorating, and of course this full wall of fitted furniture. So plenty of storage space in there, and that mirrored effect is absolutely fantastic. And now we'll go and have a look in the lounge diner. So we've stepped into the lounge diner, and again, it's neutrally decorated. We've got a nice big UPVC window with fitted blinds just to the front. We've got the fireplace. Now this is marble fireplace with an electric feature fire. Really, it's a heater as much as anything else, but it does look great as a centerpiece in the room. There's loads of room in here for a dining table as well as the settee, so really is a good lounge diner, this space. I'll spin the camera around and we'll have a look from this angle as well, and then we'll pop outside and have a look at the garage. So as we step out of the front door, there's the garden, and we just follow this path to the side, and the single garage is just this one here with the black door and the white fascia panelling at the top. So black door, white fascia panelling, and then as I spin the camera around, you'll get an idea for where the property is. So it's just over there, and you drive in at the side of the block and into the garage. Any questions, any queries, please give us a call. It's Cardwell's Estate Agents, Bolton.